just received this baby here, just took it out of the box and removed a little bit of the styrofoam packaging for you guys. But this is what it looks like. How beautiful is that? Check it out. So what comes in the box? Right? You have the charger, user manual, 010, right? And toolkit, just hidden somewhere, right? So these are three main things you're gonna get out of the box together with your scooter. So what's to do when you just receive this scooter, right? First things first, you'll find that your handlebar is detached. So the easiest way is to just undo these 4 screws, right? Take out the top part of the stem and screw it in with the handlebars, right? Try to center align it so that it's the handlebars are perfectly straight. Now, right, let's go to this clamp here. Right, lift it up slowly while holding this up. Right, make sure this thing's aligned and gently slide it down all the way to this screw. Right, it's supposed to be stiff. If it's not stiff enough, what you need to do is to just tighten this screw a little bit. If it's too stiff, loosen the screw up. Okay, so there you go. Right, with this double clamp, it's now safe to ride. It's a dual motor drive, front wheel drive, rear wheel drive. Spring shock absorber. The stiffness of this can be tuned by adjusting the screw here. Right, and it comes with a front disc brake and a rear disc brake. Now remember the charger that you got in the box? Right, you can use either of these 2 charging ports. You can use even 2 chargers, or to reduce the time of charging by half. Okay, so you have the LED lights on the front, on the sides here, right? And the rear lights at the back. The rear drive is exactly the same as the front drive, with the double disc brakes, right? The spring shock absorbers, and the rear motor, right? You have this foot pedal that at high speeds, you really appreciate it, because at high speeds, you might get a little bit of wheeling. So step on this pedal and have one foot here, and you'll be more stable. Okay, so let's come up to the handlebars, take a look at the functions of it. It comes with a key lock, right, for security. So those of you who want to just take that 5-minute hop into the grocery store, just take the key with you. You've got a voltmeter, which doubles up as a secondary battery indicator. You have your switches here to switch between a single drive motor or dual drive motor, or an eco mode, which tops out at about 25 kilometers per hour, or turbo mode, which tops out at 55 kilometers per hour. Turn it on. Switch. Okay, turn it on using the key lock here. The voltmeter should light up. Then turn on the LCD panel. Now this LCD gives you a whole wide variety of features that you can control, right? Like how strong your electronic braking needs to be, how much power each motor wants to output, and a whole lot of features. Now here's the secret. Come, you bring it in. Right, there is a secret USB port, which is actually for programming, but it allows you to charge your phone while you're riding. Right, so you can mount your phone on a handlebar, and you can charge it off the battery of the scooter. There you go. Right, 2 front LED lights and 2 rear LED lights, which also double up as braking lights. That's it, right? So we'll take it on a test ride later, and we'll show you how this 2-wheel drive scooter performs up slopes and on rough terrains.